So hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I Pranav Ford, your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel, is here with you with a new and interesting topic, that is the solar system. In today's video, we are going to learn about the solar system. Before starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and in the comment box to like this video. You are welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir. Title page. So what is the solar system? Solar system is a thing which is in the galaxy. In which galaxy we live? We live in the Milky Way galaxy. So there are many solar systems in the Milky Way galaxy, but one of them in which we live. So in which we live, it has the sun, which is a star. Next, the first planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Luna and work cited. Next, the sun. First of all, we have the sun. The scientific name is Sol. It contains about 98% all of the rocks, dust and gas in the solar system. So 98% of the sun is made up of rocks, gases and many things. If hollow, 1 million earths could fit inside. Means in one sun there could be 1 million earth. Okay? It acts as a giant magnet. The sun's surface is 6000 degrees Celsius, but its atmosphere is millions of degrees. The surface of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius only, but the atmosphere of the sun, it is about millions of degrees. It is so much hot. Okay? Mercury, the first planet to the sun is the Mercury. It takes 87,969 days for the Mercury to orbit the sun one time. As our Earth takes 365 days, the same thing Mercury takes the 87,969 days. Since it is smaller than Earth, it has less gravity, which means if you weigh 70 pounds on Earth, you will weigh 27 pounds on Mercury. Mercury is so hot that you could burn to death during the day, but spins so slowly that you could freeze to death at night. Means it is not possible to live on Mercury because it is near to the sun, so it is very hot, and it is spinning so slowly, so it is very cold also. It has no moons. There is almost no air on Mercury. It is 36 million miles away from the sun. The next is the Venus. It takes 2,24,701 days to orbit the sun. You would weigh 63 pounds here if you weighed 70 pounds on Earth. It is similar to Earth because it has mountains, Venus quakes, mountains and valleys. You can't live here though because it is too hot. It is 67 million miles away from the sun. Venus has no moons. So here also we can't live because it is very much hot. The next is our one and only Earth. It takes 365.3 days to orbit the sun. We are 93 million miles away from the sun. It contains the only human life we know of. Means we don't know if another planets also takes have these conditions, but how much we know, Earth is only the planet. Earth has one moon, Luna. Earth has just the perfect combination of weather, temperature and atmosphere to keep us alive. So all the conditions are there on the Earth. Next, Mars. It takes 686.98 days to orbit the sun. Mars is 142 million miles away from the sun. Weighing 70 pounds on the Earth, you would weigh 27 on Mars. Scientists had found that Mars once had streams, rivers, lakes and an ocean. Mars has two moons, Deimos and Phobos. Mars has the highest mountain and deepest canyons in the whole solar system. The largest canyon on Mars would stretch from the New York to California here on the Earth. So it is so much long on the Mars. Jupiter. It the Jupiter takes 4332.59 days to complete one orbit around the sun, which is one revolution. It is 482 million miles away from the sun. You would weigh 185 pounds on Jupiter if you weighed 70 pounds on Earth. Jupiter has a great red spot that is made up of storms that have been constantly occurring from over 300 years. Means there are so many storms on the Jupiter which are from the 300 years. There is no solid surface here. It is just one huge ocean of hydrogen and water. There is nothing in between the atmosphere and the ocean. There would be no flat surface to float a boat on like the Earth. Jupiter has 63 moons. It only takes 10 hours to go from the night to day. Means there is one day of 10 hours. Next we have Saturn. It takes 10,759.2 days to orbit the sun. You would weigh 82 pounds here if you weighed 70 pounds on the Earth. Its rings are 1,69,800 miles wide but less thick than a football field. Saturn is very similar to Jupiter because under its atmosphere is an ocean of liquid chemicals. Means there are so many liquid chemicals in this Saturn. Saturn has 34 moons. It is 888 million miles away from the sun. Next we have the Uranus, which is a cool planet. It takes 30,684 days to orbit the sun, means one revolution. It is 1,784 miles away from the sun. You would weigh 82 pounds there if you weighed 70 pounds on the Earth. It is the only planet that spins on its side. On its side. Uranus could have ocean under its atmosphere, and because of the amount of pressure on Uranus, it could possibly have trillions of large diamonds. Which there are so many diamonds on the Uranus because it is made up of rivers of diamonds. It is almost identical to Neptune. It has 27 moons. Next and the last planet is Neptune. It takes 60,190 days to complete one revolution. Neptune has a giant storm just like Jupiter. It is called the Great Dark Spot. It was discovered in 1846. It has 6 rings that surround it. Since Neptune is so far away, scientists know of 13 moons for sure. But there could be many more to be discovered. It is 2,794 million miles away from the sun. Next, Luna. Luna is the name of the moon of the sun. Earth. Luna is Earth's moon. Luna is Earth's moon. Luna is 2,40,000 miles away from the Earth. It has many mountains, valleys, old volcanoes and craters. Craters are caused by asteroids and comets colliding with the moon. Luna and Earth are very close in size. The dark spots you see on it are actually hardened beds of lava. The moon used to have active volcanoes with liquid lava, and when the moon was struck by an asteroid or comet, it would puncture the surface of the moon and causes lava to ooze out of it. The lava hardened and causes the dark spots you see today. So it is the lava which is on the moon. These dark spots are lava. So when any asteroid or comet come here and there is a puncture in the moon, so it forms these black spots. I hope you understood about this topic, the solar system, what are the planets and what are the things in the solar system. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box to like this video or welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir.